Well, hello, all you beautiful people. The next episode of the Project Joyful podcast has just dropped. And this week, we're talking about those days when you've got those feelings that are just getting in the way of getting things done. You know, when you wake up in the morning and you just don't feel right within yourself, or you're about to go into a big meeting, or you need to speak up about something and you're feeling anxious and agitated in your body. Well, today I'm going to be sharing how you can move that emotion through your body, how you can change disempowering emotions to more empowering ones. I'm going to be sharing the cognitive emotion loop and how you can use that to fast track how you're feeling. And I'm also going to be taking you through how to use emotional freedom technique for releasing emotions in your body and for updating emotions from something that's disempowering to something that's more empowering. Jump on over. It's at the Project Joyful podcast.